Hi friends, this is Vivian and today we are with the Lenovo K10 Note. As you know, yes, Lenovo is back after an year and it is coming with its famous series, which is the Lenovo K series, and the device is made by Motorola, but it is a Lenovo smartphone. Talking about the device, this is a 4GB RAM 64GB variant. There will be a 6GB 128GB variant. Talking about the color, this is a night black color. If you open the device looks pretty much similar boxing what we have seen in the Motorola devices. Coming to the device, here are the specs what is given. It is octa-core processor. It comes with a fingerprint sensor at the back and triple rear camera setup, which we will talk about later on. Currently, I will just peel off the back cover and also the IMEI number. Let the device get booted. At this time, we are seeing here we are getting a quick start guide and a safety information guide. We are also getting a Type-C charging cable. So here you can see the Type-C charging cable. There is also SIM card ejector tool and the charger. The charger rating is 18 watt. Now coming to the device definitely looks gorgeous. Lenovo branding is there. There is also fingerprint sensor at the back, triple rear camera setup. There is a flash. On the side you are getting a volume rocker key and the power button. On the top there is a noise cancellation mic. So this is what we are getting on the design aspect. It is coming with a plastic back. In the bottom if we go, there is a Type-C port. There is speaker grill. We will talk about the speaker later on. There is also 3.5mm port and there is a noise cancellation mic in the bottom too. Coming to the ports, what the device is going to offer. So here it comes the SIM card tool. I am ejecting the SIM card slot. So here you can see it comes with the dual SIM support, but it is a hybrid SIM card slot. So it is not a regular 3 slot where the 2 nano SIM card slot or 1 micro SD card slot is there. You can use either 2 nano SIM card slot or 1 nano SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot. It comes with your dual drop notch and the display is 6.3-inch FSD plus display. It comes with the 83.7% screen to body ratio. So this is the screen to body ratio where the Lenovo is calling this as a max vision display. Coming to the display, definitely the display is vibrant and it is bright too at the same time. Now going to the settings, what are the other things you are getting? There are some good features which you can see in the device. Let me start with them. First, there is a WDU touch mode. So what it does, it actually hides your navigation keys, and I will show you that how it works. And once you put the U touch here, you just, if you want a learning tutorial, you can switch it on or either you can switch it off. So here you can see the navigation keys are completely gone. You can use that to hide them and it will be more on a gesture feature. Coming to the smartphone, about smartphone, the hardware specs, it comes with the octa-core processor which is a Snapdragon 710. Internal memory is 64GB and it has a 4GB of RAM. Camera we will talk about later. Coming to the battery, it is 4050 mAh battery with 18 watt charger in the device. It is running on Android 9.0 Pie with ZUI on top of it. So definitely Lenovo is claiming that this is close to stock Android and it doesn't have any bloated apps. But we will talk about this also very soon. Now coming to one more thing is you can change the wallpaper. There is a separate wallpaper category given. Coming to the battery, it is 4050 mAh battery. It has a 18 watt charger which is a fast charger and definitely not super fast charger but still a fast charger. It has some bloatware apps like puzzle pets, but you can uninstall it anytime, so that is the best thing. Let me find some more apps if it is there. So right now I am uninstalling the Asphalt and here you can see Asphalt Nitro uninstalled. So whatever bloatwares are being given in the device, they can be uninstalled, so that is not an issue. Coming to the camera, let's start with the camera. It comes with a 16 megapixel main shooter at the back which has a f1.8 aperture. Coming to the 8 megapixel second camera which is a telephoto camera, it has an aperture of f2.4 with 2x optical zoom. Coming to the depth camera, it is a 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture and there is a LED flash also. The front camera is 16 megapixel camera. The rear camera is rated as the AI camera which company is saying. It has few modes. Here you can see there is a dual mode which is basically for the portrait or the bokeh mode. The photo mode has a 2x optical zoom There is also video mode. Let's go to the video mode, and once switching the video mode, I will show you that what is the capability of shooting. So it can shoot 4K video from the rear camera. It can also shoot full HD video and HD video. So this is the capability of the rear camera. You can change the aspect ratio also. There is a specified night mode given. There is a panorama mode. Coming to the night, here you can see a message on the screen which actually tells you to hold it stable while shooting in the night. Also, if you are shooting, you can use the tripod. Now one more thing, you can change the aspect ratio also. You can change the volume key to control the shutter, and there is a camera sound. You can change that. You can put on the watermark. These are the few things. There is also super quality. I will recommend you to put on the super quality to get a more better picture. Now in the front camera, you can see what we are getting. First we'll start with the video shooting. It can shoot full HD video and HD video, which is a great thing. Coming to the volume key, surround sound, and there is a soft light selfie. These are the similar things what we have seen for the rear camera. And there is also watermark, reference, and super quality. So I will recommend you to go for super quality because it will give you a better picture quality. Now coming to the pro mode, it has the normal manual setting mode, which includes the aperture setting and also the ISO setting and white balance. There are many settings which you can play it around. So there are few things which you will be liking in the camera, and we haven't tried and tested that for every scenario, but definitely review is coming where you can check out the scenarios. Going to the sound, there is also Dolby Atmos. If you put to the dynamic, there is smart identification, which is a AI mode, realistic movies and dedicated music. So you can change according to the scenarios. If you're listening to music, go to the music mode. There's a movie mode. So there is a lot in the Dolby section which you can change. There are some special effects preset. This is all according to your customization, what you need. This is all about the Lenovo K10 Note. We still don't know the price, but this will be in an aggressive pricing around 15 less than 15,000, and the device may go on sale through Flipkart. So this is all about the Lenovo K10 Note. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.